Good day everyone, I am Nurse Kim, currently assigned at the ABC Hospital. Today I will be discussing the ethical concern regarding the PPE practice in the COVID ward. So, we are given the question, some question that we are going to answer. So, this is the first question that given to me.
The first question is, were there unethical principles violated? Identify those principles.
For the first question, yes, there are ethical principles that may have been violated. The first is the non-maleficence, which means do no harm. Using the only one PPE set for the entire 12-hour shift can increase the risk of infection transmission and may harm both patients and healthcare workers. Another principle is beneficence, which requires nurses to provide safe and quality care. Proper PPE use is a part of the protecting our patients. Next is the justice. It's also affected because patients were charged for PPE and mask, but the actual practice may not reflect what they were billed for. And lastly, which is the veracity, or the responsibility of the truthful may be violated if patients are not properly informed about the PPE practice.
Second question, what are the risks of the current practice of ABC Hospital?
Okay, the current practice of ABC Hospital has several risks, including cross-contamination between patients, increased spread of COVID-19, infection among healthcare workers, possible outbreaks inside the hospital, and decreased trust from patients and their families.
The third question, the client asked you how many times you have changed your PPE. How will you respond?
So if a client asks me how many times I change my PPE, I will answer honestly and professionally. I will say, Ma'am, sir, PPE should be changed according to infection control guidelines, especially when entering different patients' room, when it becomes contaminated, or when there is a risk of exposure. Our priority is to maintain your safety and prevent infection transmission.
The fourth question is, the client complained while you were taking vital signs that she received her partial billing and was billed 4 sets of PPE and 20 pieces of KN95 masks per day. Then she asked you, why is there a need to change PPE per entry into the room? How will you respond?
So, if the client asks me why PPE needs to be changed per entry into the room despite being charged, I will explain. PPE is charged between patients' interaction because each patient may carry different levels of infection risk. Fresh PPE prevents the transfer of microorganisms from the patients to another. Regarding the billing concern, I understand your concern, and this should be properly reviewed and explained by the hospital administration to ensure the transparency.
The last question is, the mother of the toddler discovered that nurses do not change PPE despite being charged by the facility. The client expressed her intentions of reporting all nurses in the COVID ward for negligence. How do you think of her action? Does she have a legal ground? State your reasons.
Regarding the mother's intention to report the nurses, I believe she has the right to raise her concern because patient safety and honesty are important. She may have a legal grounds if there is evidence of negligence, failure to follow infection control standards, or improper charging of services. However, an investigation must be conducted to determine the responsibilities of the healthcare workers and the institution. As a nurse, we must always practice with accountability, compassion, honesty, and commitment to the patient's safety. That's all. Thank you.